Hey guys, in today's video on my London session recap for today, we're trading micro gold futures. To start off, basically my bias for the day was bearish. Why? We had this bearish imbalance right here, this 1 hour bearish for value gap. So I thought price was going to push lower into these like daily lows or even lower down here possibly. So that was my bias for the day. It was bearish. Also in the 4 hour we had a bearish for rally gap as well, and we also swept liquidity to the downside yesterday, which also added on to my bias. And then we go to the 15-minute. We had this 15-minute fair value gap right here that I wanted to retrace back to on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, when we go to the 1 minute, we retrace back up. And this was before market open for the London session. We tapped into this gap. There was not any entries here anyways, so I did not miss anything. But when we got into London session, we already were moving down from the value gap and said I should have waited to retest this value gap and go lower. And that's going to be a change for me now. I have to retrace to this gap before taking any trades. Instead, I try to catch a trade on this leg up to go to the downside off of this 1 minute inversion. I took it because there was a break of structure right here and then this inversion like I just said. I entered and we got stopped out today. Why? Because first off we had this 1 minute fair value gap that we reacted off of, but two, we already displaced lower and like this move already happened, alright? So I had to catch this move. Price, it could have went lower. You know, there wasn't a sweep of liquidity, which was like really odd. That was definitely weird. But price didn't move all the way down, and instead of sweeping liquidity, we just went up higher. So I think the market was a bit weird today, but you know, it's my fault, and I have to do better. I just have to, like next time, if I wanted to go lower, I would have to inverse this fair value gap to get more context to go lower. So yeah, that's my trade today, and hope to see you guys in the next video, hopefully Monday, if price action is good enough for me to take any trades. And that's really all for today's video. See you guys in the next one.